Welcome to HiExchange, an online platform to exchange your cryptocurrencies and digital currencies. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to exchange Tether to PayPal USD. As you enter the main platform, select Tether and PayPal, type in the desired amount, then click on Exchange. On the second step, you need to enter your PayPal address and your email address. Remember that your phone number is optional, but there are benefits for those who sign up on HiExchange. For example, you can sign up on our affiliate program and earn money online. On the third step, review the information carefully, complete the CAPTCHA, and click on Exchange to head to the fourth step. As you can see here, you have every single information regarding your transaction. Here are notes on our terms of service. Please dedicate some time to read them carefully. You also get a track ID to follow up on your transaction later on. And you will have HiExchange's Tether wallet address. Having transferred your Tether, upload a screenshot of your transaction. Then click on I agree to terms. Then you will be good to go by clicking on Pay Order. You can also follow up on your transaction using the track ID. Make sure that you do not share your track ID with anyone else. You can also take part in our survey. This will help us improve our services. Thank you.